Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am here with a get ready with me for Shashti, and this is what I am going to be wearing for my Durga Puja. I am going to be wearing 4 different outfits for Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami. So there are 4 videos coming up. Finger crossed. Yeah, this is the first look for the Durga Puja and I hope you guys are going to like this video. This is a very simple glam look. You can wear it for the daytime, for your entire Shashti wala day, and I hope you guys will enjoy this makeup look. It's a very simple peach eye makeup look paired with a peach lipstick as well. Now if you're going to wear something similar, or even if you're wearing any outfit and want to go for this makeup look, and this is a very simple, easy to do eye makeup look. If you see the video, you'll get to know the process. I have just used one palette and I'm all sorted. So if you enjoy and like this video, then please press that like button and even subscribe to my channel. It's not going to cost you anything, but it's going to make my day, and even I'll be coming up with more puja look. Even there is Diwali and so many other festivals are coming, so I'm gonna keep sharing my looks with you all. So yeah, without wasting much time, now let's get into this video. Firstly, I'm extremely sorry, it's too hot right here, so I had to keep my fan on. If there is a sound, please forgive me for that. I can't just sit and sweat right here, so please understand. Now firstly, I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm taking Sugar Cosmetics Base of Glory. This is the pore minimizing primer. I'm going to take a pea size of this and will apply this on the center of my face, mostly where I have little pores and tend to sweat. Now for foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Superstay. This is the 24-hour full coverage foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. First, I'm going to dot this all over my face, and I'm going to apply this with the Damn Beauty sponge. Next, for my concealer, I'm taking this Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. This is the multi-purpose concealer, 100 Eyeberry, and I'm going to conceal and highlight the usual areas. Again, blending with the same sponge. Taking a little extra so that I can apply this on the eyelids area to cancel out any darkness. Now quickly I'm going to set the areas I have concealed, and for that I am taking the Fit Me Loose powder, and this is in the shade 15 Light. Again, I am going to use the same beauty blender to set the areas. Now I'm going to use this Sugar Contour the Pores palette, and I'll be taking this shade right here, and this is in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I'm going to be contouring my face with this. Now for my blush, I'm going to use both the palettes from Sugar. It's going to mix both the colors and will apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And you can see how beautiful both the colors have blended and it's looking. Even for my highlighter, I'll be going with the same highlighter. As you can see, I'm finishing my base. And you can see it's a beautiful champagne gold shade, and I'm using this for the first time, so I'm actually in love. Now I'm going to fill up my brows off the camera. Even I'm done with the other eyes, as you can see. So I'll be going with Coral and apply this as a transitional shade. And I'll be going with this on the crease in the Windshield Wiper Motion. Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade 01 Flawless. Going back and forth to blend this really well into the crease, elongating the outer V a bit. Now next I'm taking the earthy orange, again going with this on the crease and even the outer V. Now next I'm taking the shade Copper and applying this only on the inner third area, not taking it all the way out. Just blending the harsh edges so it looks nice and seamless. Now I'll be type lining and waterlining my eyes, and for that I'm taking the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. Again from the Contour the Pose palette I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm going to highlight the inner corners and the eyebrow bones. Now I'm going to use a felt tip liner from Sugar itself. Rest for overstay, this is the waterproof eyeliner 01 I'll be black. I'm going for a nice long wing. I'm taking this shade right here, which is the deep burgundy, applying this on the lower lash line. Even taking the coral and for the smoking out the lower lash line. And now for my mascara, I'm going with Sugar Uptown Curl Mascara, and I'll be applying this on the top and even the bottom lashes. With that, I'm done with my eye makeup. Not going to use any false lashes today. I think this is looking nice and it's perfect for the Shashti look as well. Now I'm going to move on to my lipstick, and I will go with a peachy undertone lipstick. So for that I'm taking Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick, and this is a very beautiful peach lipstick, and I think this is going to complement the whole look. So that ties up the whole look. Now I'm going to just wear my jewelry and be back. So as you have seen, this is the whole complete look, and I absolutely love how this is looking. Even my earring is complementing the neck design. This is actually going down till my tummy area. Yeah, this is actually the whole look, and I am pretty sure this is going to look really nice on the photographs as well. This is looking really nice and fresh. So you can even do this look, and if you create this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. By the way, even don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box, even it's flashing right here. So you can just go and follow me over there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Even hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it for this video. In advance, I want to wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. And as you know, this is the Shashti look. So Saptami, Ashtami, Navami is coming up. I think I'm in a very chatty mood. I'm not going to talk. I did not even talk the whole video because I wanted to make it short and simple for every one of you. That's it for this video. We'll chat in some other video super soon. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.